Deploying a new campus and branch network can be complex and time-consuming, but replacing an existing one can be even harder. Juniper's AI-native campus and branch solutions help to ease that burden, mitigating manual errors and accelerating deployments by up to 9 times. Our configuration templates available across the full stack of wired, wireless, and SD-WAN make the process repeatable and scalable. And zero-touch provisioning using any Android or iPhone instantly claims access points, switches, and WAN edge devices and installs those pre-configurations. Juniper access points even fit into existing competitive ceiling mounts, simplifying the installation. Finally, with devices installed, Juniper's APs automatically identify access points and clients to confirm the deployment accuracy, saving time and money. Once your network is running smoothly, proactive AI-driven RF tuning keeps your wireless network optimized with dynamic tweaks and adjustments based on reinforcement learning. And that's Juniper onboarding and deployment in 60 seconds.